Okay, hey, it's Daryl again, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video because I've never made an unboxing video before, I think. Maybe I have, I don't recall. Anyway, so today's special treat is my new iPhone. And I know this iPhone came out like almost a year ago, so whatever. November, October, September, sometime. Anyway, I've had this for like 4 months and I haven't unwrapped it out of the box, so everyone must think that's crazy. And I got yellow because, of course, yellow is the best colour for a phone. It matches my watch and it matches my new brightly coloured shirt. So that's why yellow iPhone. So this is an iPhone 11 and 256 gigabytes. So I might use this for making YouTube videos. Anyway, let me enjoy this thing, and you'll be able to see it too. So first you unwrap the bit off the back. Oh, and then it comes apart, and then you take the plastic off and you put that aside carefully. And like all iPhones, let's see if I'll use this light bulb box video to magically hover the iPhone in space, and I'll put it under. I've got another iPhone to put under it to bring it up, and a CD, I've got. No, I'm not going to say who I'm listening to on the CD. There we go. Now I have an iPhone hovering in space. Now the important thing when you open up any iPhone box is that when they changed the design of the box, I don't know, maybe they were all. Did I never have which iPhone? I had an iPhone 6 New, and apparently the iPhone 6 New was the one that was famous for the first guy to ever get one, and he was being interviewed outside the shop, and they were like, why don't you take it out of the box and show us? And when he took it out of the box, it fell on the ground, and I think he picked it up and was like, it's alright. So you just very slowly pick this up. Ta-da! And there's the inside of the box, and there's the outside of the box. Oh, there's a cute little cutout in the box where the camera fits. The reason why I didn't unbox this earlier is because I didn't have a cover for it, and the thing is absurdly expensive. And it's my opinion of the pricing of iPhones, absurdly expensive. There you go, and it looks very beautiful. I'll try and work out how to pick it up and get it out of the packet. No, there's no way to actually. Oh, like there's a little tag on the end. Wonderful. Ooh, it's yellow like my favourite Nokia phone. I had a couple of Windows phones. I had a yellow one. I feel like the model was 720 or something. This is actually pretty good. You can see my lamp, and you can see my reflection of the window in the sky outside, and that's aliphatic coating, and 2 lenses. So at the moment, my other phone I've got is this this iPhone XS, which I got as a temporary one after I broke my iPhone 7 Plus, and so this is the replacement for the iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah, it looks really good. It's got no SIM in it, so I have to put a SIM in it. Oh, it's actually. So what I've noticed at the moment is that, unlike every other previous model of iPhone, which has absurdly slippery casing, this casing doesn't feel as slippery. I remember getting the iPhone 6, and like you put it in your hand, and it just slowly slithers out from your fingers and falls on the ground. Fortunately, I worked in a carpeted office. Actually, that's what happened. When I got my iPhone 6, I got it delivered to work, and in the office, the courier parcel came in, and I was like really excited, and I worked with a guy who's quite into Apple stuff, And I was like, ooh, I just got my new iPhone, do you want to see it? Because I got it on the day that it came out, so it delivered to me on the day that they came out. And came in the morning in the office. I think it arrived about 9 o'clock, so I went and got the guy from the other office, and you see, first thing, when you take it out of the box, it just open it on the floor. And I was like, what? And he was like, there's carpet down there, so if something goes wrong and it falls out of the box, then it's just going to be on the carpet. And so I actually I actually did what he said. So I put the whole box down on the floor and lifted the lid off like that. And it fell out of the box straight away, but of course it only fell 5 centimetres down to the carpet, so nothing bad happened. And I was like, holy wow, that's crazy. How could the box design be so terrible? And really, this box design is actually pretty terrible, because it's just sitting on there. It sits on there. So if you open the box in your hand, especially if you do that, if you do this, you open the box in your hand, and you like have this thing, and then you like, and because the box was such a vacuum, then there's this little jump, and then the thing jumps out of the box and falls on the floor. Yeah, odd. And so what else is in the box? We might as well do that part. There is a little cardboard sleeve of stuff, which I presume you get your little hello message in there, and something how to install the SIM, and obligatory Apple stickers, and you get a charger. So I'm in New Zealand, so we have up close. I'm in New Zealand, so we have this configuration. In China, apparently, some places you can put these in that way around, but in New Zealand they go that way around. And Australia has the same connector. But I went to China once on holiday. I went to Guangzhou, and somebody said, oh, actually you can just take your New Zealand chargers and plug them in upside down. And it was true. In Guangzhou I could actually use my phone charger in the hotel room, and that was great. And you get a pair of headphones, which I think, just from memory, I think previous versions might have come, I had some that came in a plastic packet, but this is just a wrapped cardboard, so the packaging of the phone is actually better. Actually, the other thing is that normally the Apple things are totally coated in plastic, but I don't think there's any plastic on there. It's actually the glass on that side, and on that side there's a thin screen covering on there. I actually think they should ship with a permanent hard plastic that you can peel off, like a removable one. But I think they should ship with a screen protector already installed. And for all of the love they have for the coating and all that, for normal people, iPhones are really so expensive that they should come with a permanent protective coating on it. You can already see all my fingerprints on there. The reason why I waited so long to unwrap it is because I didn't have a case, so I've got that one in that waterproof case. Anyway, so I use my iPhone for everything. I go out and make YouTube videos and all of that. So I'm always getting in and out of the car. Like, I broke my last iPhone getting out of the car. It flicked out of my hand when I was coming out of the car and landed on the only rock in the car park. Go figure. But yeah, so I got a case for this phone. So I'll put that together, put the SIM in, and go from there. But yeah, I thought this was the best colour, even though the case I bought, it doesn't have a clear back, which is a shame because I really like the colour. I actually prefer brightly coloured phones. I've got this handheld radio as well. I really like the bright colours. They're easy to find. You don't leave it sitting on the counter somewhere. It stands out when it's a bright colour. Like this one, I'm always losing it because it's in this black case, but I bought this case because it seemed like the sturdiest case. but I'd prefer to have it in bright yellow as well. Whatever. And there's the thing, so I'm sure everybody, these have been out for a while, you can see a reflection of my iPad there that I'm recording the video on, and it's got that nice glass back and Apple logo and the cameras and a nice glass front. Maybe I can just turn it on. Let's have a look. Ta-da! Apple logo. Well, I guess I'm going to have to... I think that's enough. Yeah, everybody's seen an iPhone, surely. Like, I don't think this will be much different from the other one. My opinion now is that the processors in these... Oh, it says hello. Is that the processors in iPhones have got so fast that they probably don't... there's like not really much difference between different models anymore. I think this has got... From memory, it has a wide camera and a normal camera. So I think the wide camera on this, the wide lens is wider than on the iPhone XS. I call it iPhone XS. It's the iPhone XS for people who need to have the right. I think it's like XS. There was a radio station when I was a kid that was called 2XS, and I suppose it's meant to sound like 2XS. And this seems like the iPhone XS or the iPhone XS, iPhone Tennis. Is it iPhone Tennis? It sounds like tennis court. iPhone Tennis. It's the iPhone Tennis edition. It should be green on the back. Green. It should be fluffy green on the back, and that clay court red on the front. That would be awesome. And the 11, iPhone 11, it's just iPhone 11. Yeah, and what I wanted to know was is the screen wider on iPhone 11 than the iPhone? It is maybe, oh, it's so similar in size. It's good, it's just a smidge, maybe a smidge larger, so that's actually quite good. The screens are basically the same size. Yeah, I think it's okay. It is what it is. Yeah, well, I'll probably just have to shut that down and put a SIM in it. Yeah. Okay. New Zealand. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this. Oh yeah, that's right, you can do that thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's awesome. I like that setup thing. So it just automatically found it. Let's continue. Oh yeah, and then you have this cool thing where it shows that thing, and then you line it up. You line up. Yeah, you line up the camera. Let's see if I can show you it. You have this. And then you have that, and then you line it up. And now that just stupidly showed everybody my email address. That's going to be so great. You go, setting up iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. It's probably going to tell me that I have to put the SIM in it. Yeah, whatever. Oh, well, maybe that's enough. Ooh, a new charging cable. Yeah. I'm pretty excited about the headphones. I've never had those headphones before. I bought my iPhone XS used, so it was just meant to be a temporary one until I got this new one. So I've never actually owned the kind of headphones which plug into the what is it called, lightning socket. Yeah, so you know, on those Yeah, so it's the lightning socket headphones. I've never owned a pair of those before, so pretty excited about that. I don't know what else to say. I just have to wait for that thing to happen. Oh, it looks like we're logged in. So let's set up a Face ID. So let's do that. See, set up a Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the Is that what we want? Oh, there we go. I was doing it wrong. Great. Face scan complete. I don't know what I meant to be doing. Okay, here we go. Transfer your data. You can directly transfer your data during the setup or finish downloading it later. Transfer from iPhone. Transfer directly, so this iPhone will be ready and your data will be finished. Time to transfer 15 minutes. You can start using your iPhone in about... I'm going to do transfer, I think. Oh my god, that's blurry and impossible to read writing. Look at that. Look how fuzzy that writing is. Who's meant to be able to even read that? Like, it's totally illegible. It's pretty weird. I'm going to do a screenshot of that. I have to download and install an update. That's a gigabyte. I think the Wi-Fi here is really slow, so it's going to take a long time to download. So maybe that's really the end of the video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like my style of unboxing video. Like I said, I don't think I've really ever done an unboxing video before. So, you know, it's just something a little bit fun. A little bit different from some of my other videos, I guess. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You give me a like. You can give me a thumbs down if you like. If you give me a thumbs down, say why you gave me a thumbs down in the comments. That's what I always want to know. Why? What was so egregious? What was so egregious that you had to give it a thumbs down? I want to know that. Yeah. Oh well. Have fun. Have a nice weekend or whatever it is that you're doing whenever in time you watch this. But there we go. So yeah. What can I say? You know, it's yellow, which again is the best colour for any phone, because you can find it easily, and yeah, seems pretty nice and not very different than the one I've already got. Hopefully, you know, it'll be slightly more awesome than the other one. Great, catch you later.